Oh, it's another day with fidget stuff.
Oh my god! Give me fidget